Riffs Pervane Noir. Yan ang review natin for tonight's video. So si Riffs Pervane Noir, ang presyo niya is around 1,000 pesos sa marketplace. And in terms of presentation, napakaganda. Simple, elegant, and it's just all black all throughout. Except for the font here in front and the sticker sa ilalim. So, ayan, para siyang bote ng wine. Okay, and yeah, very elegant, very classy yung kanyang presentation. And what I really like about this bottle is ang ganda ng kanyang form, parang saktong-sakto sa kamay mo. Okay, so yun ang gusto ko sa presentation nito ni Riffs Platinum or Riffs Pervane Noir. Now, si sprayer or atomizer niya is black. Atomizer inside is white. Pagka spray mo siya, ang ganda. Tama-tama yung volume and yan. Tama-tama yung dami ng perfume na lalabas. So, ang opening nito ni Riffs Pervane Noir is grapefruit and cardamom, and may pagka leathery and suede siya. Actually, when I bought this a couple of months back, ang opening nito ni Riffs Pervane Noir medyo amoy lupa. Okay, and I waited for a couple of weeks before I used it again, and ngayon grabe, ang ganda na ng kanyang opening. Para talagang citrus, tapos may halong leather, yung pagka woodsy, you know, ang elegant, ang classy na kanyang amoy. And after a few minutes of spraying, maamoy mo na yung pagka-smoky niya. Medyo mas lumalabas yung kanyang pagka-smoky. Ayan. So, I think this is the version of 2017 ni Creed Aventus na kind of scent na medyo smoky yung kanyang amoy. Now, I think the only thing that you really have to take note of is pagbago nga siya, pagka open mo ng box and spray mo siya, hindi siya ganun ka-elegant and classy yung kanyang opening. Medyo off na parang, you know, amoy lupa. Or lumot, actually. Yun yung aking masasabi sa kanyang opening. Now, when it goes to dry down, nga, medyo smoky and medyo citrusy pa rin naman siya ng konti, and until such a time na umabot na siya ng skin scent, ganun pa rin. Woodsy, parang leather na kind of scent. Okay? Now, performance-wise, okay din to. Around 2 to 3 feet, maamoy ka ng mga tao na sa paligid mo. And then, longevity. Yan. Longevity, grabe rin to. 6 to 8 hours, nagpo-project siya. Okay? And then, it becomes a skin scent eventually during the 7 to 8 hour mark. Okay? So, buong araw siya, buong shift ko na siyang gamit. Yun, nagpo-project pa rin naman siya. So, hanggang sa umuwi na ako, hindi ko na kailangan mag-respray. Okay? So far, so good. Lahat ng, or actually yung dalawang Riffs na perfume natin, yung Platinum at saka ito Noir, ganda na kanilang performance. Okay, so for the price of 1,000 pesos, very much worth it, I think. 100 ml yung bottle niya, and again, the performance niya is very, very good. Okay, so if you're into the DNA of Creed Aventus, this could be an alternative if you don't have the budget for, you know, the pseudonym perfume or the actual Creed Aventus itself. Okay? So, yan lang naman. If you have any questions or any suggestions about this perfume, please leave a comment down below. And if you have any suggestions on next videos that I will be making, please also leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!